Neisau Tuidraki. My name is Neisau Tuidraki, and thank you for joining me for my one-on-one session with part of the crew of Soli Bula. Tonight, we are joining Michael Light. Hi, Michael. How are you? If you could just tell us a little bit about what you're doing with Soli Bula.
Right. Pula, I'm Michael Light, born and raised in Lam, and I'm the 3D modeler on the project. Most of the project is hand-drawn, and the Drua will be 3D, but we're going to have to, it's a bit tricky to get it to match up with the 2D look, and we're currently working on that.
That's awesome. And because it's such a big part of the production, right? That Drua, and it's so iconic. So you've got a lot, that's a big responsibility for you. No pressure. Okay, so could you tell me, like, what drew you to the Soli Bula project? What made you want to get involved with that?
Well, it's a cool story. I want to watch it.
Yeah.
And I'm just glad to be part of it.
If you so what made you get into 3D artistry? What sort of pointed you in that direction?
Pretty much movies and games. And 2004, 5, there was a thing with FIT, with an American company that did an animation in Fiji. And yeah, we started from there.
Oh my God, that's so amazing.
I'm not sure about the date.
Sorry, I said that's really amazing. I love how you guys came together, or all sort of met as like-minded individuals, and now you're all working on this project.
And well, Knox lives next door, and Dave's just down the road.
I love that. You guys are all in the same neighborhood. That is amazing. Yes. Okay, so what I wanted to ask next is, what's one thing that you're looking forward to in terms of a finished project when Soli Bula is completed, and and everybody can see it? What's that one thing that you're looking forward to?
Well, to get the whole thing together, because right now we're just seeing bits of it, and when it's completed, then we'll see the whole thing. But the feeling of it will be there. When you're looking at an individual spot, you don't get that full feel of it. I'm looking forward to seeing it all come together.
That's awesome. So I guess I'm going to ask all of this to you individually, but what you guys are doing, bringing your individual talents together, from sound, illustration, basically, it's all of you combined together, bringing this big production and bringing a big animated production to life. This hasn't been done in Fiji before, and you're basically showing the industry and the community that yes, Fijians can do this. We can put our, put our talent together and bring this to life. What are you hoping you guys are going to achieve through this? How are you hoping to sort of shape the community for future generations?
Yeah, I think hopefully we'd inspire somebody, because a lot of talented people don't get the chance to work on something like this, and they just need a melody to organize and coordinate and collaborate with everybody. So hopefully more people will start their own projects and get things rolling.
That is so true. That is so true. Now that you're into, I don't know, I think this is week 4 or something of the production, I guess my next question for you is that, what is it like working remotely, in your own bubble, and what do you do to keep sane?
Well, for this project, nothing's really changed. We would probably have the same workflow whether there wasn't any COVID,
Mm-hmm.
with the internet and sharing and all that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But outside of that, I got my big family and my nieces and nephews, and I'm well adjusted to staying home.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You know, it's for Fijians, the diaspora Fijians, you know, like my final question would be, you know, like, how are you doing during COVID? It's you know, for us in the diaspora who are not in the country and sort of just looking out in, you know, like we're seeing the struggles of Fiji as a whole during COVID, you know. So how are you doing?
Me personally, I'm doing all right. I'm surviving. It's not it hasn't hit me as hard as others, and pretty hopeful that it's getting better.
Yeah.
Hopefully by the end of the year we'll have a better idea about how it's going.
Okay, my last question then is, you know, words of wisdom. Do you have, it's cliche as it sounds, do you have any words of wisdom for like anyone who's looking to breaking into the industry, whether it's 3D artistry like you or illustration, you know? You got any pearls of wisdom to share?
You don't need to go to school for it. There's a lot of resources online. If you're interested, you can seek them out and teach yourself. Pretty much anything, like even the 3D modeling, there's the software, you can get it for free, and yeah, just seek it out.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Michael, for joining us. Guys, that's it from us. That was our Q&A session with Michael Light.